import all the ship part, all the 7 parts. What you did for existing part, import all the part. What you did in previously. It is in a product Katia nav, so you need to convert into part design. We have 7 parts. So example 7 part, 6 part import. While importing, it's in Innovia form. Importing it's in Innovia form. So right click open, convert into part design. Whatever the Innovia form, close it. Then again import last part. Right click. It is in Innovia form. Right click, open. Like that, you need to open all the import all those 7 parts and convert from Innovia from to part design form. Then take another tab, go for assembly design. I still do the assembly design. So right click here, insert existing part, because we have parts only, so existing part. Right click, here it is multi selection. Example 1, then object 2, object 3, object 4, object 5, object 6, object 7. See, object 7 came, and here it is accept all. Now you will get all the 7 part here in assembly tool. If you want to change the name, change the name to piston cylinder assembly with DMU. Change it to and apply. Okay. Now see, piston cylinder assembly DMU with DMU. Okay, you have all the part. Your first thing is you need to separate all the part from each other. So for separation, you have as you know manipulation. Just separate all the part, manipulation, separate all the part like that. Do separate all the part. Separating to two parts. Okay, separating to two parts. Update. Okay, as you know, for in assembly you need a fixed part. So I'm taking this ring as a fixed part. Example 6, exercise 6 is your fixed part. If you want to do the assembly, first thing you need to know what type of joint will give between two parts. See, if it is revolute, see this is your ram and this is your ring. Ram and ring having revolute joint. So go for engineering connection, catch revolute joint. Okay, first two axis, then second axis. Okay, it is in one line. Then right click, offset. It has some distance, we want to insert it there. So first plane, and here it is in this surface we'll do the distance. Two face, just change the, decrease the length, decrease the length -7. It is inside. Okay, then okay. If this specification came, means your assembly is right, there is no crash, so no. Okay, revolute update, but in revolute we given two constraints. See, only axis and one is offset will give the angle. Okay, this plane and that corresponding plane also, second diagram corresponding plane, angle 0, because we are doing same plane, so angle 0, it's crashed. Okay, if it is crashed means delete it. Again do angle, first plane, second one having 0, make as control. Okay, no crash, update. Angle given because we are doing the angle because of command, while because we will simulate that thing, all the part. Then engineering connection, same. What type of joint between the connecting the, is, is it a rigid joint? Yes, it's a rigid joint, so go for rigid. This axis and this axis having same, we'll do this plane and this plane having contact, because it is a contact, so it's in, but it has some distance, make it 0, give the offset. This plane and this plane having what type of, is it 0 na, distance is 0. Okay, then okay. If the specification came means your design is right, your assembly is right. No, then update. Okay, like that. Inner piston and Gaussian pin having rigid joint, same. Engineering connection, your rigid joint, we need to insert that thing. The first axis, second axis, automatically it will come in one line. Okay, then right click, insert, offset. We need to decrease that distance, offset. So first plane and this plane having some distance. If we decrease that distance means it will be insert there. Just decrease the distance. I'm giving 0 -5. Let's check it. No, again double click, insert. See, that is inserting. Okay, then okay, now it's showing crash. So right click, insert, again offset from this plane to xy plane to xy plane, second xy plane. Okay, see, this specification came means your assembly is right, but no, then update. See, we completed 3 assembly by using 6 part design. Then go for engineering connection, same. What type of joints between this assembly and this ram, connecting rod and ram? It is a revolute joint, so go for revolute. First one, next revolute joint. So engineering connection, revolute joint. First one, it is came like this, means first you need to do engineering connection, revolute joint. We'll do the angle here first, then second one. Okay, then right click, insert, offset, give the distance from this face to this face, be distance. If you decrease that distance, make it 50. Yes, it is in middle. No, this specification is right. Then update, because we did rigid joint in this connecting rod, so automatically this thing will, all part will be come, that two part will be come. Okay, then this connecting rod and your piston having rigid joint, same. Go for engineering connection, sorry, revolute joint, revolute joint, first axis and inner axis, inner surface axis. It is in, now see, it is in one line. So right click, insert, offset, just decrease the distance from here to. Why you are decreasing the distance? Because we need to insert the part into the connecting dot. So decrease the distance. We'll do -50. Yes, it is inserted. See, as you see, this thing is inserted. So okay, no crash. So update. Okay, now in piston and cylinder, there is cylindrical joint. So go for engineering connection, cylindrical joint, first axis, second axis. Okay, sorry, engineering connection, cylindrical joint, first axis, second axis, increase the distance, increase the, okay, no specification. Okay, then update. In your cylinder is always fixed, always fixed, update. Okay, okay, your assembly is correct, completed. I'm hiding the all the axis, customize view, hiding no axis. Okay, now we want to do the DM simulation, piston cylinder arrangement movement. So for that we have another option, as you know, in your basic DMU. Same, go to mechanical system design, double click. Same, we need to go for a representation. We'll create a mechanism. So mechanism, I'm just changing here piston, piston. Okay, then update, then mechanism. In revolute, then angle mechanism completed. Means see joint command came. We'll do we'll first check mechanism player whether it is moving or not. Yes, it is moving. Why? Because your cylinder is not moving. Because uh, why your cylinder is not moving? Because your cylinder is fixed. Piston is moving with respect to this, with respect to this plane, this one, with respect to your ring acts as your motor. So this is manual movement, manual mechanism player for checking whether it is taken the mechanism or not. Then after that, in your revolute command, just attach a motor to run the mechanism continuously. I'm giving you 90 turns per minute. Okay, Okay, then after that go for piston, click single click 3D player. 3D player, wait for some time, dynamic play. Now it is piston movement, piston movement with respect to your cylinder. I think all of you getting my point. I all the thing you getting. So thank you.